air conditioners. 14,000 BTU, looking at a coverage about 600 square feet, 550 to 600. 13,500 BTU, looking at a coverage of around close to 450, 400, 450, just a little bit less than the 14,000. We have the 11,500, looking at a coverage, I would say if we look on the chart, you're looking at a coverage probably in the range of 350, close to 400, 10,000 10,000 BTU. Looking at 250, 300, up to 350 square feet. These are great portable ACs. All the parts come with it to hook up. You have 2 hoses. You'll run to your window, similar to this. So the bigger ones will have 2. Single ones will be the smaller ones with the singles. All these ACs have 1-year warranty on compressors. www.clearanceman.ca. 4886 St. Charles, Unit 250 in Pierrefonds, Quebec, H9H3E2.